Howdy crew, today I got a very special unboxing. Let's get to it. As I mentioned, very special unboxing. It's not a huge box, but it is from American Legion's flags. So, one thing that was necessary for me to have on the welding rig is, have a little suspense. There we go, gotta have on the welding rig good old red, white, and blue. Gotta have beautiful American flag. So it is a polyester flag, and it don't feel plastic. It feels almost like a heavy-duty cotton almost, but it is a polyester flag, so that way it can be on the back of the truck and it's not going to be torn apart like a cotton flag. And then the nylon flags weren't quite as strong, so this is made to be in heavy winds. So this is similar to what you all see outside of post offices, stuff that's going to be American flag out all the time, heavy duty weather, and of course on the welding rig going down freeways, interstates, all that good stuff. Rain, sunshine, snow, anything that can be thrown at it, this will have it, and it will have the ability to withstand it. With string, but everything looks great. And a low string, can't have that. All right, I'm gonna fix the string coming off the star. We'll cut that off. All right, so a little bit of a string coming off, but it's not a big deal. It's not like anything is falling apart. There we go. So I did get the flag with the embroidered stars. It was about $20-something, I think. So not too shabby at all for a price. Beautiful flag. So happy to have it. Not gonna let it touch the ground. Can't have that. I hate it when flags are touching the ground. But everything looks great. Just a little bit of, I don't know what you want to call it, little parts of threads on here, but everything looks great. Nothing looks like seams are coming apart. So I will have this. I'll fold it into a triangle in a minute. I will have it fold up properly until the time is right for putting it on the truck. This is going to be on the right side of the truck. It's going to be on the ladder rack on the back right side. And I'll explain why in another video, because there's going to be another unboxing coming soon that's going to explain why this will be on the right side of the truck. So, anywho's going to keep this up to US flag code. Everything's going to be good there. So, I just had to have that for an unboxing. And it's just a necessity for me to have on the welding rig. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. This is just a must-have. So, anywho's, hope y'all enjoy it, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.